Hello and welcome to my channel where I post recipe videos on every Monday and Friday at 7:30 p.m. In today's video, we are going to be preparing an easy lunchbox rice recipe or a normal lunch recipe which can be made with very few ingredients, no onion and garlic. So the ingredients list is given below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell for more such recipes. So to begin with, I've soaked the basmati rice as well as the chana dal for the recipe in water for 30 minutes. After they have soaked, we'll drain and keep them separately. Now in a pressure pan, I have heated some ghee and I'm adding the whole spices and cumin seeds along with some black peppercorns. I've put the flame on low. Now once the spices give out their aroma, we'll add the next set of ingredients to it. So for the whole spices, I've used cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf, black peppercorn and cumin seeds. Now it's time to add some ginger juliennes and green chillies. Once you add the green chillies, stay a little away from the fire, otherwise it will pop. So we'll mix this as well nicely for a minute or so. Now it's time to add a little bit of salt to this as well as a little bit of red chilli powder. Mix this as well, making sure it does not burn. You can add a tablespoon of water if you don't want the spices to burn. So the spice is done now. I'm adding in the drained chana dal to this mixture. We'll saute this for 2 minutes. You should keep this flame on low at this stage as well. So I've sauteed the chana dal nicely with the spices for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the rice. So the rice also has been soaked for 30 minutes and drained, and I'm going to add it right into the pot. Now we'll cook the rice as well for 2 minutes. Just saute it for another 2 minutes. Again on low flame. So the rice has also been sauteed nicely. Now it's time to add water. So I've taken 1 cup of rice for which I'm adding 2.25 cups of water. I'm adding regular water, not heated or anything, just normal room temperature water to this. I'm going to mix everything and clean the sides of the pressure pan. Check if salt is required, add salt and then cover and pressure cook this on high flame for 2 whistles and low flame for 1 whistle. Once all the pressure is released, you can open the cooker and fluff the rice using a fork. And then add in some ginger juliennes and chopped coriander on top. This is a super simple recipe, but it is very delicious to have with some raita and pickle. So do try this and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.